Right, let's move in. Careful, pump house.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to a new Airsoft video. Today we are playing with Rift at Com Site 3, and this game is the ammo box game. The aim of the game is to basically collect as many ammo boxes as possible in the shortest time possible. So let's take a look.
Nobody. We've got contact here, right? Cliff's been hit in conservatory. Dean here. Tango down. Tango down. Hey, good shot. Good shot. Well played.
At this point, Hogan and the team are trying to move to the main building, which is the location of the first ammo box. So let's take a look and see how it goes.
In the house. In the house. Red house. Well done, well played.
With confirmation that friendlies are in the building, Hogan moves to a better position to see what their next move will be.
Jess, Mike, you're 20.
Oh, mate.
Don't know. Just wondering if it's not very clear on the map. I'm just wondering if the ammo box is in the machine gun nest.
Yeah, that's where I put it last time.
Is that our one or their one?
One we've got a steel blue one.
Blue one,
Because we got people.
yeah. Because once you can get to the machine gun...
There's a lot of people moving towards that from their side. Guy moving right to left. Coming in on bunker on your right.
Yeah, bunker left hand side.
Oh.
It's moved. Have a nice day.
Okay, he was closer than we thought, mate.
Yeah, two in the corner.
Yeah, look, there's one hard right. If I had a sniper, he'd be looking easy.
Have we got a long gun here? Woo!
Hogan and the team decide to move on to the machine gun nest, just to the right. But getting there may prove a bit tricky. Let's take a look.
Building! They're rushing the building! Reds! Bunker one! Bunker left one!
Bunker right one!
Behind you, Ian. Where are they going? Hit! I'll be back.
Careful, you're right. Fella, wait, 1 o'clock. You're 1 o'clock. Low down on the ground. Ricochet. He needs to stop playing that Ricochet. Have you got that guy in the desert tan over on the far right?
No.
He's at open ground, but he's fucking way out. I don't know if you've got the range or not. He's directly straight across.
Yeah, I know what two doing in front of us, isn't it?
Oh, you've got the tree in the way, you won't see him, brother.
They are blues going to be in front of you, aren't they?
Yeah, definitely.
Over there.
Yeah. No, that's reds.
Oh, fucking hell.
You've been shooting at them? Ah, sweet. They probably asked for it.
Okay.
Yeah, hell yeah. I'm taking fucking fire, but I can't see where from. Got to be machine gun nest. I need to get out of here. This is not a good spot. Not a good spot, that shed.
That left window's got people on the perimeter.
That one.
Yeah, in that room. Yeah. It's a bit quiet, there's a couple of people outside the door.
Coming out of the house.
With no way of pushing on the right, Hogan decides to move to the left hand side of the building and push from the left hand flank. Let's see how it goes.
Right to left, conservatory, right to left. Flanking conservatory. Flanking your left, your right, brother. Coming from right to left. 2 men. Oh shit, you only got a pistol. Okay, I'm back. They got eyes on your left.
Not there.
Have they got eyes on?
Yeah, they got eyes on.
Where are they shooting at them?
No idea. I
You're here
can't
with a
really
pistol.
see them, to be fair.
You're here with a pistol.
They're fucking right down there.
Oh, that was a fucking good shot. That was a sniper.
If you enjoyed this video, please let us know by rate, commenting, subscribing, and we'll see you on the field.